Sourdough, sure.
And then can I get two sandwiches?
2 buns, sure.
Thank you.
It's nice and quiet, and look all the products we've got today. We've done the baking, the buns, almond croissants, bread is still chilling out. I finished really early today. It's 6:41, which is very good, very early. I need to leave here around 8. Yeah, if I leave at 8, even if I leave 8:30, get there for 9, it's great. It just shows you how early you can finish. Like last Saturday, we had that issue of electricity and I finished slightly late. If we didn't have that, 2 people would even be earlier. So now I'm ready to go. Well, I'm ready. I want to take this opportunity to clean up, to clean all the trays and the kitchen, and then go. But something I just see online, it made me think, or I'd like to share with you. It could be a food for thought. As if I remember properly, kind of like we react, or we act based on two things. Well, this is generalizing. Based on how we see the world in based in two ways. How we were rewarded, or how we've been hurt. So we see the world, act in the world based on these two things. But I would like to think, which is just some truth in it, in how we do things, because we're hurt in the past, or because we were rewarded this way in our childhood, or whatever. It could be one way or another. I like to think another layer to act, which is based on our imagination, and we can just see it and imagine a good thing, hopefully. And because worry is the same thing as imagination. It's just negative use of imagination. If you worry about the future, something can happen, it might not happen, get anxious. That's a negative use of imagination. But use an imagination another way, a positive thing. Good things gonna happen. Let's say I'm gonna sell out, stuff like that. Just an example based on bread. But yeah, that's one way of looking at things, or three ways of looking at things. We act based on how we were hurt, or how we were rewarded growing up, or just in general in life, or acted through imagination. What other way do you think is there I'm not aware of? And the other thing is how we see the world, life. This is very true though, like we see things completely different. Two people can look at the same thing and see completely different. Like they say, if you look at a cup, it's half empty or half full. Some people can say it's half full, some people can say half empty. But it's like the same cup, it's like the same measures, everything. It's how we see it, and neither one is true or wrong, or is right or wrong. It's just how we see it. This is one thing I'm learning to understand. It's more understanding other people, how they see things. It's hard, though. It's very hard to understand someone. You think you're right, you can see it that way, and then you want to make yourself right. But I think if you can nail that, we can actually live a little bit better life. But it's a process. That's why we have every day. We have another day tomorrow to learn again, and yeah, interesting. Food for thought. Anyway, while I think about that, I'm gonna do my cleaning, and then I'm gonna go to the pop-up and see if we see sell out. That's the hope. Good imagination, that's right. Imagination is everything. Einstein said that. I didn't say it. Good morning.
Hi, I did an order for Susie.
Susie. Here we go. That's Susie.
Thank you.
1 cinnamon bun, 2 sausage roll, 3 brownies. Correct? Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Susie. You got any bread?
Yes, I do.
Yes, please.
Country sourdough, signature white, or sourdough.
Please. Oh, and I have a sausage roll.
Sausage rolls.
Where'd you come from?
7 Oaks.
Seven Oaks.
Yeah.
It's good.
This is good, yes,
I
good.
heard about you.
Did you? I hope it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's good.
There you go.
Good morning,
you.
Susie. How you doing?
Yes, all right.
Yeah.
Hi Leo.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good, good.
want a
10,
tea?
please, sir. Yes, please.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Shit. Good morning,
Hello
sir.
there. You have a couple of walnut and cranberry reserved for Michael.
Michael, I sure did. Sure, look.
I will need a few more things.
Sure.
Do you have another walnut and cranberry?
I do.
Okay, I'll have another one. I want to give it to my daughter.
I'll put it out a separate bag.
Okay. What do you want? Okay, I don't know what you're pointing at.
This one. Almond croissants.
You want a couple of them?
Yeah, and then we'll share them.
Okay, then. Two of those then.
2 almond croissants, sure.
That's it then.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any more news on your shop?
No, not yet. No, not yet. Maybe next week. Morning.
Hi there. Can I have a sausage roll, please?
God. Oh! Today. You never had a sausage roll for the past 2-3 weeks.
Ordered everything?
Yeah, I kind of feel like I almost want to do that.
I know, I'm letting you do it.
I'd like to try one of your Portuguese.
Portuguese, sure.
What one of those?
I have a crumble and walnut, country sourdough, and signature white. I think, yes.
So say that again?
Crumble and walnut sourdough, country sourdough, and signature white.
The second one, please.
Country sourdough.
Yeah. Are you there every Saturday at the moment?
Yes.
I meant to come last weekend, and then I was like, oh no, we completely forgot. So I was like, we have to go.
Nah, I'm here.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
here every Saturday now. Thank you. Okay, your sausage roll is here, sir.
I'll have a couple of your hot cross buns as well.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Like last week. Same as last week.
Yeah.
I do.
Oh, you do? Right. I'll have 4.
Sure.
And for Brenda.
Brenda. Yes.
Oh, real hot cross buns.
Proper hot cross
Not
buns.
this horrible, soggy.
Yes, supermarket. Proper hot cross buns, yeah. Brenda.
They're getting worse and worse in the supermarket. I don't know what they're doing, but
Nice. Thank you very much, Brenda.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
We enjoy this. Is it all right?
Yes, it's done. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Hey, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Can I add a sourdough, please, as well?
A sourdough. So we've got 2 almonds.
There you go.
2 almonds. Right. Thank you. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Oh yeah, I'll just have a white.
White loaves. So, yeah, do it. I take money. Thank you. So we need 550. Oh, that's. Oh, I've never seen this one before.
You got a foreign one?
Yes.
Oh, a new one. Oh, right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Still deciding.
Hey Leo,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm well. You?
I'm good. That's Gabrielle. I'm Elliot. 'Cause we know your name and you don't know ours.
Gabrielle Elliott. Gabrielle Elliott. Gabrielle. G-E. Yeah, that's easy. G.
G. Yeah, G.
That almond croissant was enormous. They're amazing. They're absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
You want another one?
I'll have a one for later for gardening. I am gardening today.
Two almonds for sure. This is huge. Look at this one.
And a loaf of bread.
A loaf. Which bread? Country sourdough, signature white, or?
We got the countryside sourdough last time, I think.
Okay, man. Okay, I'll come later.
Your friend Debbie's there.
So yeah, what did you decide? Walnut and
It
cranberry.
was a big countryside one last time.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, that's it.
Beautiful. Oh man.
See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you.
Probably next week.
Next week, hopefully. Hey guys. Hi. Good. You guys?
Please could we definitely get one of the cranberry loaves if possible?
Sure. Cranberry. Sausage roll.
We can get some sugar. And then a kind of chocolate.
Of course. Oh, chocolate. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you too. Morning. Good morning.
Sourdough, please.
Sure.
Your sourdough's lovely.
Thank you very much. Time to go. And it was a good sale, good Saturday. Yeah, 11:07. Pomme de doge and one sausage roll left. But yeah, it's good. So yeah, see you in the next one.